The mouth of the fools are their undoing, and their lips are a snare to their very lives. Proverbs 18:7. You know the saying when people say, you are what you eat? Well, you are what you say, because your words determine your future. J'ai dit en anglais, les versets sont en français, que faites attention à tout ce que vous dites. C'est tout ce que je dis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're blessed. I hope you're blessed with my scriptures, and I hope you're blessed with my outfits. So let's get started. So today I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I wore during the week. Starting off with my shoes, I wore these Filas that I bought from Champs. Added on with some socks and my turtleneck that I purchased from Kohl's. J'ai acheté ce tricot aussi from Kohl's, and my blazer from H&M. Les ventres là, on est en train de maigrir, hein. Todo conda. Kubandate, huh? So this week was just a plain and simple look. It wasn't like extravagant. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, I like it. So what? Okay. Sometimes I like to keep the European fashion in the US, so it's like people look at you funny because they don't know fashion. Hello, Pinterest. So yeah, this is how my week looked. My outfit looked during the week. J'ai pas vraiment mis beaucoup, mais yeah. I have an hour long between before my next class, so it's like I just chill and just, enjoy my hours. Sometimes I take a nap, sometimes I watch shows, sometimes I do my homework, it depends. J'ai 1 heure avant mon dernière classe, souvent je me repose, souvent je fais des devoirs, souvent je regarde la télé, ça dépend. Mais ça, c'est les habits que j'ai portés. If you're not inspired, I don't know what to tell you, sis. I don't. I'm not inspiring. Check out Pinterest. So the next day, I decided to go plain and simple again. I work out in the morning, so Tuesday for me was like I'm dragging it. Okay, so I decided to pair some really neat sweatpants and some really cool Balenciagas. I'm just kidding. Shoes that I got from Target, and they're very good quality. I like to wear my sweatpants most of the time, but when I wear my sweatpants, I like to make sure that I look clean. Okay, so mes jogging, j'aime que je me vois un peu, je me vois propre, pas un peu, je me vois propre. So my sweater, I got it from H&M, and my sweater. C'est chez moi, ça ici, c'est tricot ici, j'ai acheté ça en H&M. My sweatpants, I got them from Walmart. And my cool socks, I'm very detailed with socks, okay? I got them from Walmart, and I paired them up with my Balenciagas. Let's speak it to existence. And I went in and I got my, I think these are, I forgot what jacket these are. But yeah, I just stayed warm, and we were out the door. And the next day, I was going to Bible study, and I was like, I want to look clean, okay? On se voit propre tous les jours. So I decided to pair my hoodie that I got from Zaffo, and I did a review on this. And I got these pants from H&M, the boy section. And I just wanted to look like a tomboy, but also like a girl, So I paired them up with my heels that I got from Payless. Judge me, I don't care. This was like a year ago. I decided to go back to Payless. I was like, sweet, okay. I had a budget, so it did me well. Okay, it did me well. So the next day I was like, let me wander around Dayton, Ohio. And I went in with my London Fog jacket, my vest from New York & Company, and my pants from H&M. And my shoes that I got from my brother, I don't know where he got these from, but it was a Christmas present, but they're by Gus. And yeah, so I just paired them up with the nice purse that my friends gave me for my birthday. And I was just like, okay, what am I doing? I wasn't even talking to anyone on the phone, if you wondered. And that was basically it. This week has been a very plain and simple week. My hairstyle changed, I know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.